Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Guys, I am so super excited to share this milestone with you guys. I have been dreaming about this video, thinking about this time, how I was going to feel, all the emotions, caught up in this excitement of getting this box in the mail. I got it. And so I wanted to share it with you guys. Look, isn't it pretty? I'm just covering up my name and address and that kind of thing. Anyway, guys, on October the 10th of 2023, just a few short weeks ago, my channel here on YouTube surpassed 100,000 subscribers. And so, guys, that is monumental. That is a huge milestone for any YouTuber, is to reach that 100K subscribers. It's like mind-blowing. Those are people. And no matter if you are just watching me, if you just found me, or if you've been following me for any length of time, I so appreciate you, because 100,000 subscribers, I am so grateful to the Lord, because, oh my goodness, when I, set out on this journey, I knew that I could not do it by myself, guys, because my journey on YouTube is not the typical journey that a lot of people are like, oh, I've only been doing YouTube 2 years or 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. My journey is much longer, but I have learned a long time ago not to compare my journey to anyone else's. I am my own person. This is my own journey. And actually, I want to share it with you. So guys, I am so glad that you're here. Stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm going to be sharing details of the giveaways that I'm going to be doing. Okay. All right. So guys, if you're just finding me, if this is your first video, my name is Tracy, and my crafting channel here on YouTube is A Country Charm by Tracy, where I do love to share crafty ideas with a bit of rustic country charm. And I love to do hand painting. I love cute, whimsical little faces. I love to hand letter. I also love to put together wreaths, also wreath signs, and I like to take this and that and flip it out of, take this and make that out of it, and also flip Dollar Tree stuff. I like to maybe get back more into doing some more upcycling, trash to treasure, low budget crafting. It seems to do very well. And so that is one of the things that I'm going to ask you to give me some feedback as we go forward of what we're going to be doing here on the channel. Okay. So guys, like I mentioned, I started my channel many years ago. It was just a place really just to upload videos. There was no community. There was no any kind of interaction or anything. If I got a comment on a on a video, it was like, I had more of a blog, and YouTube was just a place to house some videos. My older first videos were more cards and paper and scrapbooking Cricut. I was the old Cricut, the expression where you had the cartridges with the little overlays, and you put the cartridges in and it would cut out everything. And so that's when I started my channel, because I was into scrapbooking and card making and all of that kind of thing. And so then once I kind of got out of that a little bit, it kind of sat dormant. There were some times that I did not upload videos for months and I did not get back into it probably till like 2015. I was like, yeah, maybe I want to start doing that, because I started thinking about, I was getting closer to retirement age with my day job. And so I was like, do I want to do this YouTube thing? Well, then my sister wanted to, she was the store manager at the time, and she wanted to put in a gift shop. And so she had asked me to do some wreaths. And so that's how I kind of started doing the wreaths that's when deco mesh wreaths and all those things were starting to get a little bit more popular. And so I was like, well, maybe I could, film the wreath. And then more people were finding me by that. And so they started subscribing and asking for more tutorials and that kind of thing. And so whenever I would have to do, or would do a wreath, I would upload a video, just because it would just give me content for my YouTube channel, as well as put some things in her gift shop and that kind of thing. Since then, she and her husband have become the store owners of that store, because it is very successful by the grace of God, and I pray that it continues. So I will start helping her do a little bit more thing and that kind of thing. Anyway, but I want to show you what is in this box because I have been, this has just been a dream come true for any YouTuber. Is just to reach 100K subscribers. It's like the Grammy or the Emmy or the Academy Award. When your channel reaches 100K subscribers, YouTube will send you a gift in the mail. They will send you a plaque. And so when I got the email from YouTube, or no, I actually got it in my YouTube studio, when I got that and it said your channel, you're eligible, and I got my code and all that kind of thing, I just could not believe it. It is really a dream come true. So let me go ahead and show you what's in this beautiful black box. The letter from the YouTube CEO. It's bigger than what I imagined. Anyway, this is a little card. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick. My husband's name is Rick, so that's special. Guys, this is, I gotta take it out. Gotta take it out of the package. Guys, I know that this is just a piece of something. Oh, it's like a mirror. You can see me. You can see my camera. You can see my camera. You can see me. It is, this is just, it's very well made. It has a place you can hang it in the back. It says, present it to Country Charm by Tracy for passing 100,000 subscribers. And it has YouTube. So anyway, I hate to wiggle it around too much because it is a mirror. And so guys, this is just the epitome of, it's just, wow. So I already know it's going to go back here. That's what I thought. So I'll set that up a little bit later. It's truly just the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. You know, it's just that this plaque is just really just a milestone, just an appreciation for all of my hard work. And this is just something that a YouTuber does want to get to. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a giveaway in honor of my 100,000 subscriber, just surpassing it. I am just so grateful for each and every one of you. And so what I want to share are the details of that. And so I want to kind of give you just a little bit of background, just a little bit, because I want to encourage anyone that is wanting to start a YouTube channel. Do not compare your journey to my journey. Do not compare my journey to your journey. It's taken me many years to get to 100,000 subscribers. And I faced that fact a long time ago because I am not like other DIY crafters. Some of them are you know, just, anyway, I just don't compare because people, I myself and the true people that want to be here, part of my channel, I so appreciate you so much. So when I look on my channel and if I click on my channel,
cut pieces of
I can click on the videos, and then it has the little toggle here, latest, popular, and oldest. And so if I click on the tab that says the oldest, those are my old videos that pop up. And this is just the thing. Some of them are from 13 years ago, you know, and it's just because when I started my channel, this is not a community like it is now. This is actually my full-time job. This was just, I would upload a video whenever I had a moment to upload a video. But this is the thing is I did a lot of Cricut stuff. I did a lot of vinyl, paper, cards. I do have a handwriting tips and markers on there that I was 13 years ago. This is just it is what it is. I did some like kids school snacks and did some things for that. My very, very first wreath was 10 years ago. So I guess that was 2013. I guess I did an Easter deco mesh wreath. And I remember that was horrible. That was horrible. And then I got into it a little bit more. 2015, I think, is when I started really trying to, okay, what do I want to do? I got into a little bit mixed media, did some painting. I did some more wreaths. I did some hauls. I don't do that many hauls anymore. I did some, I'm constantly, I'm always getting emails to do product reviews. I do very few product reviews, only if I have time. I don't want to get into all of that. But really, I just did a lot of different things, a lot of Cricut things, a lot of wreaths. I guess 2015 was when, 16, 17, that was when I started doing a lot of wreaths for my sister's gift shop. And I did some just different cards and did some painting. I would say 2017, 2018 is when I really started getting serious about my YouTube channel, because I was I was looking at retiring. The opportunity had presented itself, retiring from my day job. I was an administrative assistant for a state of Texas facility for over 32 years. And so here I have a 40K subscribers. That was on August 25th of 2019. So back then, I guess that's when I really started getting serious. So I can kind of see the kind of like a timeline of me, myself in 2019, I was at 40,000 subscribers. And so that doesn't mean like if you are a YouTuber, yours are going to happen as that slow, that fast, whatever. But I really started trying to really be true to myself and my whimsical country look. And so I just looking back on a lot of this, you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Just going through. Also, I have met some of the most amazing people through my YouTube channel and have been fortunate enough to be able to collab with them and just really like-minded people just coming together. And then that's kind of how you discover new people, new friends, that kind of thing. And so just looking here, my channel has evolved over the years, but while I stay true to myself, I love gingham. I love check. I love all of that whimsical country looking stuff that is in my DNA, And so, anyway, back to the giveaways. So I'm going to be doing everything through my community tab. And so that just keeps it fair. It keeps it safe. So on this video, let me know that you would like to be entered. I'm going to be drawing 5 different winners from this list on this video, this 100K unboxing my plaque, my beautiful silver play button, and on this video. And let me know what you like about my channel. What do you like? Do you like it? I love the comments. I love all of the positivity. That's what I want to give back to you. But if there's something that you in particular that you like, I'm a true craft junkie and I love to do a lot of different things. And so let me know some of the stuff that you like and I will take any suggestions of what you would like to see in the future. And so I will draw a winner. Let me see here. So this video is going to go up on October the 27th. So how about on Saturday, November the 4th, on my on my community tab, I will pick 5 winners and give the names. I'll do a little graphic or something like that. So that way there is no confusion. There are a lot of scammers out there. And so I do not want anyone to be misrepresented. I will announce the winners on my community tab if you're not familiar with that, on your phone, or if you go to my channel, on my channel, if you just find the community tab, then I will put a graphic there and announce the winners with the instructions of how I will give you my email address. You email me with what I need, and then I'm going to be doing an Amazon gift card. I'm going to be giving away a wreath. I'm going to do a painted door hanger. I'm also going to be doing some mystery boxes of just different things that maybe I have created, just putting a whole bunch of stuff together and sending out some mystery boxes. So anyway, look for that. I will announce the winners on Saturday, November the 4th, 2023, with the instructions of what I need you to send me as far as your mailing address and your email address. I will not ask you for any financial information, no kind of credit card or anything like that, because the closer we get to the holidays, the scammers are out in full force, and I don't want anyone to be misled. So I thank you so much. Thank you for letting me open this with you. I could not ask for a better community, no matter if you've been with me from the very beginning or if you just found me. Thank you so much. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.